There are two parts to the back of the pass: pass management at the top of the pass and the additional information below that. First, we'll review the pass management features. You can delete the pass by pressing delete and confirming that you want to delete the pass. The pass update status is shown at the center top. To manually update the pass, simply swipe the pass downward and release, and updates will be loaded into the pass. Again, clicking Done in the upper right corner returns you to the front of the pass. Below that are two pass controls: Automatic Updates and Show on Lock Screen. Automatic Updates permits updates of the pass to be pushed to your phone. By enabling this feature, you will ensure that you get the latest offers being made. If disabled, updates will have to be done manually as shown earlier. To disable automatic updates, simply swipe the control to the left. The second pass control, Show on Lock Screen, relates to time and location notifications that can be attached to the pass. If notifications are attached to the pass, this option will be shown. When enabled, it allows a short message to be displayed on your lock screen at certain time or based on your location. Turning this off disables this messaging to your lock screen.